Okay, this is going to be the existing HVAC setup, guys, that we're looking at. We are 13 and 7/8 on this guy, so it's a really, really tight squeeze on this furnace. The new one's going to be at least 17 and a half on this guy, coming all the way out here on this left side. He's not really worried about this space or lose any of this. He's going to move all that for us when we actually come in and do the work. But we're coming over 17 and a half. That's going to condense the furnace quite a bit. And I was thinking what we could do, that way we don't have to do any line set and extensions or anything like that. Just put a base can with a filter rack right here, and we can seal up this guy, so the filter access should be right here. And then we can just change everything from there for them. We'll have 3/4 inch PVC for the drain lines on both the furnace and the AC on this guy, and then you have 2-inch going to 3-inch for the exhaust and the fresh air, which I don't think we necessarily need the 3-inch, but I would keep it and just make sure that we're not having any leaks or any pressure basically coming out of those guys. They all look pretty well sealed from what I can tell. But yeah, that's kind of the setup for that. The AC coil is going to be the older refrigerant R22. We're going to want to make sure that we flush everything out, make sure there's no non-condensables in there, and then we can put the new refrigerant in, make sure everything's pressure tested. You got the gas line coming in right here on the right side, and then this cold air return drop is an 8x24 access. And yeah, that's pretty much everything, guys. You got the electrical coming down here on this right side, going straight to that switch, but that's basically everything. Which actually, no, I should mention, so 17 and a half width on this guy, right? We're gonna get a coil to match. I would get some duct work for this guy so we can build up the plenum. We'll probably get you guys a setup that'll work by that. That's probably 16 or 17 and a half by give or take 20, just to make sure we got enough airflow going through that guy. And that's pretty much everything.